The Dhobi Waterfall is on the road to Lodwick Point. Mahabaleshwar has 3 major waterfalls, and the Dhobi Waterfall is one of them. The beauty of these falls are their placement in a lovely, quaint, sequestered nook, looking straight over a ravine. The rocks, abrupt and lofty, surrounded by a dense growth of foliage. The greens seem to be dancing with joy as the water sprinkles on them, bathing them in cool delight. Just look at its flow. Sheets of milky white water gushing uninterruptedly in a fascinating descent. In the monsoon, when the rivers are swollen, the waterfall is in its element. How I wish I could move in closer and grasp the virgin waters.